Do you recognize this man? You should, though you won't recognize his face, and you probably won't recognize his name. If you ever applied or facilitated a meeting using brainstorming, you owe it all to him. Alex Osborne, the man who developed the now widely used creative thinking tool. Osborne, originally from Buffalo, began his influential work in the field of creativity education back in the 1940s, hoping to encourage its use in schools and businesses around the world. Less than 2 decades later, the president of the American Psychological Association, J.P. Guilford, gave an inaugural address which emphasized the lack of research focusing on creativity. There's a science behind creativity, and Guilford was committed to making sure that science was studied and explored. Osborne was soon joined by other researchers in the field of creativity, newly invigorated by Guilford's call to action. Osborne continued to focus on the importance of creativity and education, which slowly but surely gained more and more attention. It was this vision and dream that eventually led to the establishment of the Creative Education Foundation in 1954 and the Creative Problem Solving Institute shortly thereafter. And when Osborne teamed up with Dr. Sidney Parnes at SIPSE, he passed the torch onto a man who, with the help of Dr. Ruth Noller, would make his dream of incorporating creativity into education into a reality right here in Buffalo. The International Center for Studies in Creativity, or ICSE, is the first and oldest degree-granting program in creativity in the world. Since its establishment in the late 1960s, the ICSE has seen numerous breakthroughs in the field of creativity. Over the years, the number of academic journals in the field has gone from 0 to 10, with hundreds of books and thousands of articles being published. There are numerous creativity programs popping up around the world, and businesses, schools, and the general public are finally beginning to take notice of the importance of creativity in everyday life in the 21st century. From the day that it was introduced as an area of study, creativity has only grown in popularity, and the International Center for Studies in Creativity has continued to develop theory and practice within the field. The ICSE now offers undergraduate minors in creativity and leadership, a graduate certificate in creativity and change leadership, and a Master of Science in Creativity. On top of all that, the center boasts an entire website devoted to the field, complete with videos with creativity scholars, projects and theses from current students and alumni, and a blog on recent creativity publications and news. Thanks to the vision of the man who started it all and the passion of countless others, the International Center for Studies in Creativity has been able to continue igniting creativity, an essential life skill, around the world.